Hi gang, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to take you through my most recent unboxing. This is the first thing that I've actually bought since we've been like social distancing. I'm going to call it house arrest. So this is really the first thing I've bought since we've been under house arrest. I was actually a bit apprehensive about it coming, but I ordered this 2 days ago. Today is the 2nd of April. I ordered this on the 31st of March. Also, wasn't March like the longest month ever? Anyway, so I ordered this 2 days ago. I'm actually surprised that it even came. It arrived this morning, quite early this morning, around 10 a.m. And yeah, I'm very excited to go through this unboxing with you. I've been doing so much research on products recently. I feel like I should be working better. My skin is a bit more important. But anyway, yeah, so I've been doing a lot of research on products. So I feel like I'm going to be buying a lot more stuff. I know that we really shouldn't be buying so much in this time, especially because, you know, people are... Why is that? An aeroplane is flying overhead. Listen, people, where are we traveling to? No, like, why the airplanes? Anyway, let me get into this unboxing. What I ordered today has come from MURAD. If you guys don't know, so if you're new to my channel and my blog, then you will not know about my skin insecurity. It's not really an insecurity because I'm not that insecure with my skin, but one of my biggest skin issues, like a lot of black people in particular, or if you just get spots and acne and stuff, is hyperpigmentation. I have it, I wouldn't say really bad, it's been worse in the past, but one of my big goals for this year was to get rid of my dark spots, get rid of my hyperpigmentation, no matter the cost. Emphasis on no matter the cost. I was gonna do like peels and treatments and lasers and all the rest of it, but then, you know, house arrest happened, and so I feel like I haven't been able to execute those plans like I would have really wanted to. So in lieu of all of that stuff, I just thought, you know what, let me just buy skincare products. Yeah, they may take a little bit longer, but let me just give things a try. So I've been doing some research this week and last week, and actually for the last couple of months, pretty much since like November of last year, when I decided that this year I was going to really focus and put all of my attention into my dark spots, I've been researching on products. I mentioned in a previous video that I really want to try the Sunday Riley Good Genes. That is still on my list. I am a fan of Sunday Riley now after using their U.F.O oil, so I definitely know that the Good Genes will be good. And like I said in that video, I've seen a lot of good comments and reviews about the Good Genes, so I kind of know that it will work. But before I kind of put all of my trust and belief into that serum, I want to try some other products. So I actually came across this MURAD cream thing a couple of months ago. Just by chance I got an email about it, really random, and then like the next day this influencer that I really love, Uche, she was talking about this cream, and I was like, oh my god, that's so weird, because I just read about this yesterday. And then when I was doing a deeper dive into this product the other day, I discovered that another YouTuber that I'm really obsessed with, Monica Style Muse, had a video on this product that she put out last year, and I absolutely love her. I think she's gorgeous and stunning. So I think that was almost like the final icing on the cake that made me see, okay, let me at least try this out. This product is another airplane. What? So this product is only £35, which I kind of feel like helped push me in this direction. 35 is like the threshold amount that I wouldn't feel bad about spending on a product, but I'm hoping that it really works. So yes, so in this unboxing, I basically spent like 10 minutes talking about this. So in this unboxing, I'm gonna go through what I ordered from MURAD for the first time. If I can open it, they really secured this thing down. So this is the box that it came in, just a regular small white box. I only ordered one thing, so I feel like that's why the box looks like this. It's come in like a bubble wrap kind of thing. Also, this is the first time that I've ever ordered from Murad, so first impressions on the whole. Also, you get 15% off your first purchase, so that was really good. So even though this was £35, I think I only paid £29.75 for it, so I guess it's still like £30, but it's a bit cheaper, so I saved £5 on this, which I'm happy about. Savings. Okay, so this is the package. They've really wrapped it well. So okay, so I've got some samples to show you, and I've got this. So this is the Murad Blemish Control INVISISCAR Resurfacing Treatment. I have read so much stuff about this. I've watched so many videos about this. This will not be the first video that I do on this. I'm planning on doing like a series so we can go through this journey together. So if you have hyperpigmentation, scars, or anything like that that you want to get rid of, this might help you out. So you are supposed to use this over 8 weeks before you really start to see a really big difference. Like I said, I was watching videos of people using this on YouTube. They started seeing results as early as week 4. So even though it says 8 weeks before you start seeing like real results, I kind of feel like you can start to see them a bit earlier than that. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to try not to go into it being too optimistic, because I have been let down by some products in the past that I thought would just cure my skin like that. So yeah, I'm trying to go into this with an open mind, even though I really feel like it's going to work, but we will see. This dramatically reduces the look of scars. This is a velvety smooth resurfacing treatment, instantly fills pitted scars, and is clinically proven to minimize the look of scar size, depth, texture, and discoloration in 8 weeks. BHA exfoliates, while a unique blend of highly purified Centella asiatica and vitamin C encourages natural radiance and a healthier looking complexion. You're supposed to use this in the morning and in the evening. You apply an even layer on the affected areas and you follow up with a sunscreen. I think that's pretty much all for this. I've not used this before. I'm gonna start using this tomorrow. So in a later video, I'm gonna show you my first impressions of this, as well as like my 4-week mark and then my 8-week mark, just to check in so we can see how my dark spots are doing. It's funny because I feel like you can't really see my dark spots so much, but if I just come a bit closer, you know, we can see all of that. So yes, I definitely have dark stuff. It's just hard. I guess you can't really see it so well because the camera's a bit far away and I've got a light on. Again, like, I'm not insecure about my dark spots. I can still like go out with my friends without wearing makeup. I can still like go to the shops, hang out with my boyfriend, and like just do stuff without having to cover up my dark spots. But it would just be nice to not have my dark spots, because it would just be nice. I just want to be like brown, like all nice, one golden brown, you know. I look like a chocolate chip cookie and it's like cute, but I'd rather not look like a chocolate chip cookie. But anyway, on Murad, like with Fresh, they let you pick some samples. So obviously your girl picks some samples. I love samples, and I say this all the time in every single video. I love samples. They're a really great way for you to try new products, stock up on minis if you're like traveling, even though no one's traveling right now. If you're just wanting to keep emergency things for when a product of yours runs out but you're still waiting to receive another thing, samples are really great. For me, as someone who's not ever shopped on Murad before, and I've used their cleanser that I'm not really a big fan of, but I still want to get to learn more about the other products and to get to know more of their other products. So obviously when I saw they had free samples, I was like, yes, this is a brand for me. So let me just take you through the 3 samples that I picked. So the first one was the Rapid Age Spot Correcting Serum. This is clinically proven to rapidly reduce the appearance of dark spots, age spots, and hyperpigmentation with proprietary NHP3 technology, vitamin C and oligopeptides. enhance skin's radiance and help even tone. I picked this because of the dark spots. I feel like for me, anything that will help dark spots and hyperpigmentation, I will just buy it or get it or choose it or look more deeply into it, because like I said, that's my main goal, especially this year. I hope that in December I'm showing you like before and after videos. I can just show you my whole journey. So that is what we're doing this year, 2020. Then next up, I got the Hydration Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi Cleanser. This 4-in-1 hydrating cleanser removes dirt, excess oil and makeup while replenishing with prebiotics. Ooh, that sounds fancy. I'm a fan of like prebiotics and probiotics, just because they're really good for your skin and the bacteria living in your skin. I feel like I'm at home, so my skin isn't really being ravaged so much, but I think these things are always really great to use. In one of the videos that I was watching, one of the girls was using this cleanser, so that's what made me pick this sample. And then finally, I got the Revitalixa Recovering Serum. Ooh, this looks very fancy. So this revitalizing serum visibly re-energizes skin, smooths stress lines and renews vibrancy. I don't know if you can see, but the bottle on the picture of the sachet looks so fancy, and so I feel like I might just buy it anyway. So those were the 3 samples that I picked. I'm always, as always with new skincare, I'm really looking forward to trying it. I'm gonna have videos featuring all of these products individually, so make sure you stay tuned for that on my channel. In the meantime, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. We're really growing, and I feel like we've grown so much in the last couple of weeks, and it makes me so happy. So thank you for subscribing. Make sure you get your friends to subscribe, and yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors, stay at home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.